Kubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Lumso po ania Fire Brigade Shillong. Regat bat ka Fitorium. Ka dukan ki tiar kilan met ka babhatam. Hakador ka babin.
Ka Jingbu thong jong ka Sarkar Jilla Jingpynpoi shaman laki Longïing hakeleng ka Jilla Lyngba ka Jal Jeevan Mission kalalong shisha ka basaiso ka bakhat 100% lala Jingpyntalun ya kani ka scheme sam hadin baka Sarkar kala pentrai kamru ya ka water policy hakani ka Jilla habaya keren bat kilat pathai khubor menteri rangba jong ka Sarkar Jilla ukonrat sangma ulaong baya kani ka thong ka Sarkar kan sala ban pentrai kampura hadu 6% hakini ki khindiat banai ki bansawan.
Yeah, so number one, we already have a water policy. Number two, through the Jal Jeevan Mission, this process already has started. Of course, as you're aware that we started at a very, very low level in the sense we only had 1% of the households that were connected with potable drinking water, just 1%. So it's a massive task, but the state government and the department has moved very aggressively on this. And we are now, within a matter of months, we have crossed almost about 14% in a matter of few months, and we are very hopeful that in the coming years, we will be able to meet our target and ensure that we are able to achieve 100%. So we are in the process, and it will happen. Well, we have, it's both. Number one, these were pending for a long time. This has been something that a lot of the projects that have been completed we were not able to inaugurate it because of COVID. A lot of projects which we had already initiated, and in fact work has started in many cases. We could not lay the foundation stones again because of COVID. So COVID led to a lot of issues for us in terms of actually implementing it and putting the foundation stone in this location. So now is the time we're doing it. And obviously the model code of conduct is there, therefore that we need to move on it a bit fast because we'll lose out the working season, we'll lose out a month and a half, 2 months, 3 months of this working time. So all these factors are involved in this and it's important for us to move ahead. These are very, very important projects we have taken up, and with great difficulty we managed to get the fundings for these. So yes, we are in a mode to ensure that quickly these projects are implemented also and the foundation stones also are laid.